thank you. Nice question. I love it. Because Taiwan is my second home, I visited Taiwan nearly 100 times.
Hi everyone, I'm Bjorn Jason. Right now, I'm at Bangladesh 2026 in the IPF, and we have the Mr.
Shamim Ahmed.
Can you introduce about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Shamim Ahmed. I'm the President Plastic Association of Bangladesh.
Nice to meeting you in here. I do have some biggest question relating to the exhibitions. The first one is, what is the biggest highlight of IPF 2026 compared to the previous year?
IPF 26 is growing. Actually, first when we started the IPF, we started with 40 booths.
40.
Now it is about nearly 700 or 750 booths now.
Wow.
So it's growing so fast. And total Bangladesh plastic industry is growing 20% per annum.
Yes.
So it's increasing very much. We are exporting around $2.2 billion of plastic goods and services. And we also have a local market of around $5 billion US. So it's a large market, big population, and the people like to use the plastic goods and services.
That sounds really pretentious, and that's great news for you guys. And my second question will be, what do you think is the biggest challenge for the local player right now? And how is your association gonna help with them?
Biggest challenge is that we need the policy support from the government because the plastic always linked to the pollution. So this pollution must be prevented. That need government to do it because the waste management is a part of the government, it's not the private. But from our side, we are trying to make it more biodegradable, more compostable product, and that will help the environment. Environment is the main problem for the plastic industry at this moment.
I can tell there's an election undergoing, so I will hope all the policy is gonna go positive toward our association and our industrial.
Yeah, after election on the 12th February, we expect the more foreign investment, local investment will be coming, and people are waiting for this election so they can make the more investment after the election.
Yes.
So I think it will be more positive for the business to grow.
I wish you all luck. I'm from Taiwan, so I do have some question about the Taiwanese manufacturers. So what is your impression for the Taiwanese company and how are they performing in this exhibition?
Okay, thank you. Nice question. I love it. Because Taiwan is my second home, I visited Taiwan nearly 100 times. I bought a lot of machine equipment from Taiwan. Many industry I supplied also equipment and machinery. So it's okay. Taiwan is a very nice place. But recently, because of the price competitiveness, China is coming faster. But again, I know many China factory has owned by the Taiwanese. And this is good for Taiwan. Is a very good market opportunity in Bangladesh too.
Yes. Okay, thank you for sharing. And my final question is, can you give me a visions in the Bangladesh plastic and rubber industrial after 3 years? Can you describe it with one sentence?
Yeah, growing 20% per annum.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I will see you in the next interview. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.